Hey there, welcome back to Computer Essentials course. This is session 3. Today we are diving into the exciting world of computer languages, programs, and programming. Don't worry, it will be quick and fun, just about 10 minutes. Let's kick things off with the first topic computer languages. Just like we use languages to talk to each other, computers have their own special language too. We use English, Malayalam, or maybe Tamil to communicate, right? Well, computers use something called machine language. Our languages have lots of letters and symbols. For example, English language has the letters A to Z, plus, minus, question mark, etc. But computer's machine language uses two digits, wise 0 and 1. Since computers work with electricity, they see a 1 when the electricity is on and a 0 when the electricity is off. For now, just remember that computers talk to each other using these zeros and ones. It might sound strange, but it is how computers work. Okay, let's move on to programs. So, what is a program in general? A program is simply a set of instructions that need to be followed step by step to accomplish a task. For example, driving a car. We need to get into the car, close the door, insert the key, start the ignition, press the clutch, put on first gear to move, right? That is a program. Even complex activities like swimming or cooking a meal involve following a series of steps or a program. Whatever we do, like brushing, bathing, eating, cooking, making a cup of coffee, or mopping the floor, all are nothing but a program. Same way, computers also rely on programs to perform tasks. Anything computers do is nothing but a program. Remember, we will be comparing human and computers throughout this module. Okay? Coming back to the point, computers do need programs to perform any task. From creating documents to online payments, everything a computer does is based on a program. Is it clear? Now let us move on to the next topic, programming. Programming is nothing but teaching how to do something. Remember, a program is a set of instructions, and programming is creating those instructions. Actually, we humans are programmed from our childhood for performing several tasks such as brushing, bathing, eating, walking, dressing, etc. Just remember, whatever we do is nothing but a program, and we are programmed in different ways. Likewise, computers also need programs to work. These programs, also known as applications, are created by programmers who write instructions in a language computers can understand. This programming activity involves several steps, viz. Developing a program, testing for errors or mistakes and fixing them, then converting this program into machine language. The program code what we develop is known as source code. The source code is converted into machine language. Computers will understand only those converted machine language applications. Again, like humans, whatever a computer does is through a program. Interesting, isn't it? So, next time you use a computer or a smartphone to play a game, watch a video, or send a WhatsApp message, remember that someone has already programmed it to do that. Computers only understand those binary digits, zeros and ones. It would be impossible to create a program using only those two digits. That is why we use computer programming languages. The programs written using these computer programming languages are called source code, and these source code will be converted into machine language. There are many different programming languages, just like there are many human languages. The older languages are Basic, COBOL, Fortran, etc. Visual Basic, Python, and Dart are a couple of latest programming languages. To help programmers write code quickly and efficiently, there are special tools called IDEs. Think of them as a programmer's workspace. IDEs, that is, integrated development environments, make it easier to write, test, and fix bugs in the source code. Visual Studio, Android Studio, and Eclipse are some of the well known IDEs. Maybe now you want to learn how to write your own computer programs, right? Don't worry, we will make a computer programming free course soon. This is the end of our session 3. Feel free to review the videos if needed. Remember, I am available for one-on-one session. If you want, just ping me on WhatsApp. Okay? We will discuss about network, internet, and internet in our next session. Until then, bye.